Hi guys, welcome back to another video. You guys are gonna help me make a vision board. So some of you might wonder, what is a vision board? I like to think of a vision board as a visual representation of your goals and your dreams. I personally believe if you focus on the positives, then you'll easily achieve those goals, and what you put out in the world will come directly back to you. So you have to be a lacquer person. And if you're thinking it's the second month already, and how can I only start now with my vision board, you need to remember that it's never too late to start working on your goals. If you want to do your vision board in July, then do so. Just because other people do it the previous year December doesn't mean you have to. Do not compare yourself to other people. The second thing that we're going to talk about is what exactly goes on a vision board. So you can put photos, quotes, anything that makes you feel good. The purpose of that is not to make you feel like, oh my goodness, I'm not going to achieve those things. The purpose of it is to make you feel inspired. Also, very important, which is also the quote of the day, is your dreams won't work unless you do. It's a very cliche quote, but it fits perfectly into today's video. Your dreams won't work unless you do. You can't expect every single thing on your vision board to come true if you don't actually put in the hard work. Then we're going to talk quickly about the steps to make a vision board. You have to be in a positive state of mind. Just imagine being all mislik and thinking, ugh, I still have to make a vision board. You're just going to end up with the wrong goals. Write down what your ideal life would look like. And when you do so, make sure that you write it in the present tense as if you're actually living it. If you write things in the present tense, you're actually training your brain to believe that you are capable of achieving your goals. So for example, you're really wishing to get your dream job. So you would write down, I'm so thankful for my amazing boss and supportive co-workers. Then the third one is let go of limiting beliefs. Your potential is endless. You can do anything if you just put your mind to it. And probably the most important thing when making a vision board is that you have to have vision. You need to have a clear understanding of what you really want in your life, and you need to be specific. There are so many different ways of making a vision board. So the first one is you can make a digital vision board. So you can make it on Canva and then just save it as your wallpaper. If you guys like, I would love to show you how to make a digital vision board, but I'll do that in another video. The second one is you can also make it on a Word document, save it, and then just print it out. And the last one, the one we're making today, is a physical, tangible vision board. I've been feeling very discouraged lately, so I just cannot wait to start getting my life into order and make my very first vision board. And you guys are coming with me. Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to journal for a little bit. I'm going to write down my goals and aspirations and get into a positive headspace. The essentials that you'll be needing is a ruler, scissor, and then Pritt. And then if you'd like to post your vision board onto your cupboard or your wall, then you'll need press stick or double-sided tape. So I just got my pictures printed and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. What I did was I got pictures from Pinterest or Google or wherever you like, and then I saved it onto a Word document and printed it from the Word document. So the first one I got is this one. Study hard to get my degree at the end of the year. And then 1,000 subscribers to get 1,000 subscribers. Ooh. And then eat healthier, go on more trips, to drink more water, read more books. I'm not a bookworm. I don't really enjoy reading and stuff like that, but I know it's very important to like read, and because it will improve your thinking and you will have a wider imagination and stuff like that. A very important goal to me, it's this one: to make yourself proud. I don't know like how to like put emphasis on it, but it's very important to, at the end of the day, just make yourself proud. Go at your own pace. Don't put so much pressure on yourself, because I'm very like, I'm guilty. I do put a lot of pressure on myself, but I'm gonna start just going at my own pace. Just stay in my own lane. Don't worry about these people. I'm just gonna focus on myself, and I know I'll achieve these goals easily. These are the 4 pictures. I have more pictures, but I'm gonna start cutting now. I'm gonna put on some nice chilled music. If you guys have any music suggestions, if you guys have any music suggestions for me, just let me know, and then I'll just download them, because I need new music, guys. So let's start cutting. Made me a delicious cup of iced coffee. I'm just going to make a collage and just see how all the pictures fits together. I literally took 4 A4s and I put it into one, and then I just pasted it all together. So this is the poster I'm gonna work on. With my end result. Now I just need to put it up on my wall. I would recommend putting it on a place where you look at every day, so that you're just like constantly reminded of what you need to achieve and stuff. So yeah. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. See you soon. Bye.